In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about some basic maintenance that you can do on the unit and also how to restore it to its default factory configuration in the event, some readings may not be correct or you've changed the setting, you don't know what you changed, it's not working the same way. You have two ways to actually do that. One, you can go from, if you look at our first video, you can see that underneath the unit there is a reset button. If you hold that for 5 seconds, it will reset the unit. If you're still able to get into the unit, again going by the IP address, you're going to be able to go to remote settings, system maintain, and here's a couple options to reset the unit to the default factory configuration. You can go to restore default, and it gives you two options. So basically keeping your device parameters, keeping the network, your passwords, everything you've set, just a quick recovery of the main settings here. The other one is the full recovery. Again, this is going back to the factory settings. So you have two options there if you want to tweak it. The first one's less damaging to what you've set up. The second one is a complete factory setting reboot. You can also choose to reboot the unit, and I recommend that you do reboot this at least once a week. Like all IP-based systems, and particularly cameras, you do want to be able to reboot this at some point, just to flash out the memory, keep everything running smoothly. You can set up the days, the times, you can select multiple, depending on when you need it. Once a week is normally okay for these type of units. You can also go ahead and go to manual maintenance at the bottom, and this is where you can actually just reset the unit right away. Don't wait for any configuration or anything to take. This is immediate. So a couple options for you to reset the unit. Something's not working. This is the first thing we will ask you to do. So just please reset. If you've changed something, no big deal. You can come here, restore the default configurations. You can also access the full reboot from underneath the unit. If you have any questions on this, please let us know.